I did it my way.
Yep. Okay, so here's my dash. I got this probably 2 years ago from a guy on the MG forum that I'm a part of, and it's in really nice shape. I am kind of debating drilling a hole here for a clock, but you'll see why in a sec. I'm about to sand this down slightly, get it a little bit rough, and then add a whole bunch of clear coat to it. Polyurethane or whatever it's called these days. This is done. I have coated and sanded and coated and redone a number of times. And let me get it to focus. You can see that I haven't done too badly. The goal for this is to have, like my car, clear coat. You can see the that thing there reflected there in the wood. And it's a little bit wavy, and I'll never get it as perfect as I would like it. But this is how the dash will look now that it's all dry. Like I said, I've got, oh God, I don't know how many coats now. I've sanded it 3 times, 4 times? 3 times, and put more and more and more sealant on it. Looks pretty good too. I'll take a few pictures and probably load this up, but I'm going to let it cure for probably one more day, and then I'll start putting, let's see, yeah, cure for one more day, and then I'll start putting stuff onto it. Intention is speedometer, tachometer, oil pressure, water temperature, and then all the other doodads and bells and whistles and things. Yep, I'm pretty excited. It looks pretty gosh darn good, I think.